Analyzing market trends. Understanding and identifying market trends is a fundamental skill in trading. It's not just about seeing where the market has been, but predicting where it might go next. First, we have technical analysis. This involves reading charts and using indicators like moving averages, RSI, MACD, and volume to identify patterns. You're looking for signals like breakouts, trend continuations, or reversals. The more familiar you are with these tools, the more confident you'll be when making entry and exit decisions. Next is sentiment analysis. This goes beyond numbers. It's about understanding the mood of the market. Are investors feeling greedy or fearful? Sentiment can be gauged from sources like the Fear and Greed Index, news headlines, or social media chatter. It's especially useful during uncertain or volatile periods. Finally, sector analysis lets you zoom out. Instead of focusing on individual stocks or instruments, look at entire sectors. Are tech stocks outperforming? Is energy lagging? These trends often indicate broader economic conditions or investor preferences and can help you align your trades with the current macro environment. Combining all three, technical, sentiment, and sector analysis, gives you a clearer, more balanced view. Remember, no tool is perfect in isolation, but together, they strengthen your market perspective. Grab your guide by clicking the link in description.